1.63 miles in, and I've been dropped. Oh, my legs have got nothing today. The gods are having fun with me. No rain forecast whatsoever, and it's been spitting on. Yeah, it can just behave. We're going along, and David's saying, "Ew, what's that smell?" It's called the countryside. There's nothing wrong with it. It's good, clear out your lung, fresh air. Yeah. Still being chased by these clouds, look. Right. You nearly at Jeff's, David?
Nearly at Jeff's.
Huh? And we've not fallen out, or you've not had a puncture? I was just going to say you don't need to go to Jeff's.
Probably run out that one.
No, it hasn't. It's been on for a total of 4.5 minutes. Just leave the to me, darling. David asked if this was a coffee ride, and then he went straight past the coffee, so I guess it's not a coffee ride. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Cyclist up there. So how do you feel about your attire today, David? You've been on the warm side. So this morning, or this afternoon actually, when we got ready to come out, David had his short-sleeved top on, as did I, and then we went outside and it all clouded over, and we both decided at the same time to put our long-sleeve tops on. So David remains in the long sleeve one, but by the time I did all my faffing, the sun was back out again, so I changed back into the short sleeve. Am I in short sleeved? He is in black arms, soaking up all of the sun. Oh, nice quick walk. Oh no, we're gonna have another red day. Oh dear. One of these days he'll learn. Does anybody else hate riding on bits like this, where the trees hide all the potholes? We're going left. You just cannot see. Look, there's one hiding. Surprise, surprise, we're at the crossings, and it's down and red. But David's taking it as a
Gel stop.
A gel stop.
Big stop.
Oh.
And give me also a rest stop.
David thinks there's a train.
DVD.
That's what it does. See you later, loser. David thinks we should have come out at the end of that road in Widrington, as if there's ever been a road that would get us there. But what are you saying, David? What were you saying, love? It's called character building. Oh, it is windy. You've got a drink? Down and up. Oh, this is perfectly pleasant. Perfectly pleasant. And I'm so pleased I took the long sleeve top off. My camera. Grass me camera. I am going to grass to me camera, just in case anything happens to me on one of these rides. So I've just had to stop very sharply at a junction. David was right up my back wheel, so nearly crashed in the back of his head, which he's done twice before and fallen off. So he clearly hasn't learned his lesson yet. But I says to him about giving clear instructions, because I shouted stop before his instructions were not clear. So I said, what would have happened if I hadn't stopped and I'd misheard your instructions and I'd got flattened? He says, you would be deed, I'd be rich, I'd buy a new phone, a new telly, and he could retire. So if I ever disappear on one of these rides, because he's decided he's retiring early on my hand, who says romance is dead, eh? Oh, we enjoy these rides out together so much. Oh. Yes, I heard you say, tell that to your arse in your hand. But after you've just said I would be deed, I'm not really bothered about your arse or your hand, to be fair. Oh. And on that note, I think we're both still smiling. Or maybe grimacing. Whoop whoop! 33! Woo! Oh! Where the hell is my husband? What's taking him so long? Ooh, ooh, ooh! Baby! Where the hell is my husband? I can see him. Here he comes. Hi. What? Oh dear. Got a sore knee, people. Oh, that's an excuse for sticking to it.